welcome back to my YouTube page. This is Nish with KolorPop Designz. So today we're going to be doing some fringes, y'all. So you may see these on like balloon tassels, my shimmer backdrop, but this time I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm not using plastic tablecloths. I am just using gift tissue. So I have here the color purple, and anything that I'm going to be using, it will be linked down below. So if you're interested in knowing what I'm going to be using, just check on those links. They're affiliate links. It doesn't cost you anything. Let's get to it. So I'm going to be putting these on a balloon backdrop, and I think it's going to be really, really pretty. So I have here 7 sheets, and they're all laid out. Okay, and most of the time, gift tissue wrap is 20 by 20. Sometimes you can find it 20 by 30. So this right here is 20 by 20, I believe. And what we're going to do is, you just want to fold it in half. You can already see, I already have some creases in here. So you're just going to fold it in half. And you may be asking, why 7? You can use 6, but the more you use, the better. I feel like the more you use, the fluffier it is. I don't know. It's just my opinion. So I'm going to just fold these in half. Don't worry about getting it all extra perfect. It's going to be cut anyway. I want my tassels to be long. Okay, in order to do that, I'm going to be, because they're all going to be, this particular tassel is going to be the same exact color. So if you want to use different colors, like maybe a lavender, maybe a pink, a yellow, or something like that, or whatever, you would just kind of overlap. Now I want these, when I cut it, I want it to be like 35.5 inches. So I'm going to open up where I folded on the seam. I'm just trying to find, okay, right here. And I'm going to put this one inside. Fold this back over. And I'm going to just make sure. So this is 35. I need to scoot it down. Right here at the fold, or the, where I have the crease thing. I got some clips here. If you got some pant hangers, that'll work too. Do a couple, one here, one here. But for these purposes, I'm going to use this. You can cut thicker strips, and I've tried before, and it was fine. But I find that, let me find an example. This is probably 1/2 inch strips. I find that it's a little bit more fluffier. So the fact that it's so many strips, I'm going to not do the fold method. And all I'm going to do is eyeball it. If you need to stand, it's probably better. All the way up, but not all the way up, if that makes sense. So, about this much. Let me do another one. Sure that I cut them all. Okay, make sure. So this is a rotary cutter. Okay, this is to cut and not to cut. Okay, so I could not find any lavender ribbon, so I have some white ribbon that I'm going to be using. It's not going to be seen anyway. I just got some basic ribbon. What you're gonna do is leave enough for you to be able to wrap around whatever it is you're trying to do. So I'm probably going for this one, I'm probably gonna do about, this is based on my balloon. I'm probably gonna leave about this much hanging. The end of your tassel, you don't need that much hanging. So I'm gonna put it on. Let me move it down. Let's see what I just did is put it on. Take my stapler. And you want to staple about every 3 inches. Or as close as you can. I'm going to take scissors and I am going to snip off. I'll probably put another one right here. So, here you have, this is your string. Now, let's demonstrate what to do next. All right, you guys, so I am back. Here is the streamer. This is the side where the ribbon is on. This side is nothing. You want to take your string, shake. And all I'm going to do and then once I add my cream will go there. I'm thinking about adding more coral right here. And yeah, be back with the final results.